Now we are talking about Avaz-e Afshari. You remember Afshari was the 1, 2, 3, 4th step from Shur Sol with sometimes D quarter tone and D natural. So we had the D as a changeable note. So D natural, D quarter tone sometimes. Wasn't looks like dashti because dashti's feeling is totally different and has this similar changing in D. But still in Afshari we are going just to emphasize on the first step, note do, C. To compare to the sol or shur, and we had Afshari. So totally different feeling. Today we are going to start with Gusheh Bastehnegar. We had it in a few last session. Bastehnegar, you can use the rhythm for beautiful improvisation in this mode. Okay, now I'm going to talk about a little bit about this rhythm and we are going to analyze this rhythm together. Gusheh Bastehnegar from the beginning. So we had da 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 da. You can use it from anywhere but inside of this interval, like. And you can just add to it, add to the melody, add to other notes. So you can improvise on this rhythm a little bit. Okay, so we are going to start this Gusheh from the beginning again. 2 times. And then we don't have any rhythm here. D natural. We go one note higher, one step higher to E flat or Mi bemol. Again. Now we have a Re Bekar or Re D natural. So the other, whenever you're going just to continue this beautiful Gusheh, this is the Foroud. But the main important element was the rhythm, a few lines at the beginning that we are going just to experience this rhythm. Or we go to the Mi bemol and you can just make it be in a main دستگاه شور on sol at the end. So we are going just to play the Foroud. Sol and then Fa, that means we are in Afshari. So let's talk about Gusheh Foroud. You've heard it maybe from me a few times in these lessons. Foroud is the Gusheh that going to make everything back to the same station as it was before. For example, if we are going just to be in Afshari, Fa, Gusheh Foroud take us from anywhere from other Gushes and bring it back to the same station as it was before, like Fa. So we played Gusheh Foroud in Bastehnegar and we had the same starting note or Afshari from Do that is going just to be ended in Fa. Let's play Bastehnegar in Avaz-e Afshari from the beginning and not talking through it. You just get the feeling and practice it on your instrument. The tuning is just C, G, C. You are going just to make it like normal tuning. C, G, C. Gusheh Bastehnegar. Another amazing Gusheh in Avaz-e Afshari called Aragh or Aragh. So it is like 4 steps higher in this range, in the very, very high range of a setar, and it is 4 steps from the beginning of Afshari. Do, Re, E quarter tone, sometimes E flat, Fa and Sol, and we will have A flat in this maqam, in this Gusheh called Aragh. So we are going just to start it from the Fa, 4 steps higher, Fa, Re, Mi quarter tone. You can play teki or trill, or in the way back to the low register, you are going just to use E flat. And then glissando to Sol, A flat, And the mezrab would be ras shab ras ras shab ras ras shab ras ras shab ras 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 ris. From the beginning, please listen to the feeling. We were in this area for Afshari. Now we are going to go to the high register for Fa, the octave. We are in Gusheh Aragh. And then we are going just to make it softer. And you have a like permanent Foroud on F at the end, but this special Gusheh is going just to be ended in A quarter tone. Now just let's imagine we are going just to make Foroud of this A quarter tone to F. So we're supposed to Foroud somehow to the beginning of the Dastgah, which would be F at the end. So we are going just to play it from here.